The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and
Hey there, all our passport snobs. We are back with another hotel and room review. This is the Royal Myconian in Mykonos, Greece, and this is the lower level of the lobby area. It is very exquisite, very luxurious. Everywhere in the hotel is amazing, and it's a huge hotel. I don't even think we got to see all of it. We did have a junior suite. So this is our walk, and we only recorded part of it from the pool area, just going down. And as you can see, it's quite a trek because we'll go down a few different steps here to get to our room. And this was the process every day. But it was well worth it for the room that we got and the view that we got as well, which you guys will see momentarily. Even from right here, the view is just amazing. So let's keep going and we will show you the room. Again, we had a junior suite, and this is the Royal Myconian. So here is our room. As soon as you enter, you have your bathroom area that is absolutely gorgeous. These doors, you can't see through them from the outside, but when you're on the inside of both the toilet and the shower, you can see to the outside. You have a nice hanging area here. Also, you can use this area to seat your luggage if you want. This is the bed and TV area. It comes with a little vanity chair, so if you want to do your makeup or anything else, you have that space. You could even use it as a desk. You also get a mini fridge, and this particular mini fridge, if you pull anything out of it, you are going to get charged. They do warn you when you get there. Okay, and then you also have like a little couch area, but it can also double as a additional bed to use as well. So now for the gem of the room, we had our own private balcony and pool. The views were absolutely amazing. We did go in the month of May, so the pool water was still a bit chilly, and this particular pool was deep, so we didn't get to enjoy it as much as we wanted to, but it was still a nice addition to the room and the stay. Now we'll take a look at the rest of the hotel. This is a larger jacuzzi area, and then there's also like a small little kiddie pool, and then you have the large public pool for all guests, which also has a swim up bar that is amazing. The hotel does have its own restaurant directly at the hotel, and it also has a sushi restaurant that is a little bit of a walk, but it's not so far from the restaurant. But in this area is where you will find shopping and the spa, and there's even a hair salon, which you'll see here shortly. But basically you have loads and loads of boutiques, so you literally don't need to leave this hotel for any reason if you don't want to. I recommend leaving because there's so much to do and see in Mykonos, but like I said, you can shop here. There's a salon, there is clothing, shoes, bags, like it's just a wonderland here. And then there is the spa, and you know, every time we take a trip, we have to visit the spa, okay? And this spa was amazing. So let's go take a look at the spa over this way. So when you arrive, there are wash closets where you can either, use the restroom, or if you want to take a shower, maybe you've been to the pool, you can shower off before getting your massage, or vice versa. After your massage, you can take a shower. They provide you with a locker. So these little glass boxes on the left-hand side here are the locker areas where you can put your stuff, and they come equipped with a robe and slippers for your spa experience. So this is a very nice, luxurious area to come and relax and get ready for your spa treatment. There is also an area with a warm pool, as well as another jacuzzi that is inside. So another waiting area for you to relax and get some quiet time, especially away from the public area that we saw before. And like I said, we both opted to get a spa treatment, and we were able to share a room together and get our massages. And whenever I get a massage, I fall asleep. So eventually, Kavina's probably going to stop getting her treatments with me because I probably start to snore. But this massage was absolutely amazing. And if you happen to go to this hotel, make sure you experience the spa. All right, so this is another part of us journeying to get breakfast, but it gave us a chance to see more of the hotel. There is so much seating space. I assume because of the time of year we went, they weren't as busy as they might usually be. But it's nice to know that even if you go during peak season, there will be somewhere to sit. They do have options for seating inside and outside. And this was the first hotel that had a really, really good breakfast. We had so many options here, as you can see. So regardless to dietary restrictions, I feel like there definitely was something here for everyone versus some of the other hotels we stayed at. That was not quite the case. It was you either get this or that. But as you can see, there were topping choices, there were fruits. You'll see shortly here, there is like a dessert bar. There is even a bread bar with, oh my goodness, so many jams and jellies and preserves. I think I'm saying that right. But you just like unlimited options at this breakfast. So very, very happy with the breakfast results for this hotel. All in all, we enjoyed our stay at the Royal Myconian and wish we had more days there. So make sure you check them out if you decide to go to Mykonos, Greece. As always, for more tips, tricks, hacks, and reviews, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Catch you guys on the next video.